challenges that are peculiar to the regions. Yeah. So I'll tell you a funny story.
Yeah.
Once we went to Ghana for a program. We went to a place called Ho in Ghana.
Okay.
And we had this program on harmful widowhood practices. And assuming that it was the same, it was not, we were part of a group, but this is just to tell you how things are different per region.
Yeah.
So this group organized, and FIDA was part of the was one of the associations that went for the program. So we're discussing harmful widowhood practices and traditional practices. And when we were done, when we're now in the private sessions engaging the women, they were horrified to hear the stories we were telling. And they were like, really? Your people are wicked.
Wow, this could happen here. And these are the things that we allow here. These are the norms.
Precisely.
Wow.
So those were not issues in the region.
Wow.
All right? So we, in Colombia, one of the interesting cases that came up was the situation of webcam models. Now, it's a big industry. So webcam models are young, for the main part, young ladies who go on camera. They could be in their homes or they could be in designated locations, and they are offering all forms of entertainment to their audience.
Oh.
Okay? Sometimes it's interactive, so members of the audience are telling them what they would like them to do, or they are leading on members of their...
To do anything? Like what?
They could suggest things for them to do. They were careful to say to us that it's not quite prostitution. It's different. It's not prostitution. It's different from prostitution.
But anything, it could be
weird. But it is adult entertainment.
Wow.
Yes. So it was a big problem in that locality. It's not that it's not a problem here. And the thing about webcam models in Colombia is that it was such a big industry that the authorities had begun to, because they were making like $4 billion or $4 million per annum, the authorities had begun to tax that industry. And so the question of what are the rights of the women involved in that industry came up. A particular matter which went to the Constitutional Court was the rights of a woman involved in that industry